Here at everythingfunky.co.uk, we are specialists in the fulfillment of personalised goods for artists, designers, online sellers and retailers. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, tote bags and more without any inventory and no upfront costs. We are already supplying a growing number of stores in the UK, and we support every platform possible from Etsy, Amazon, eBay to even your own website. We only print once you've sold the item. Your orders are dispatched directly to your customers in plain packaging so they don't know we are involved. No setup fee or monthly costs. Your store remains 100% in your control. Simply send us your orders. Give us a call on 0191 2700 706 or email info@everythingfunky.co.uk to get started.